Okay, so good morning everyone. So let's continue our discussion for the chapter roots of nonlinear equations. So last time we talked about the graphical methods and also the bisection method. And I gave you an activity sa topic na yun. Now this time we move on to the second method under pa rin sa bracketing na method. So we have the false position method. Okay, yung false position method, how does it differ from the bisection method? Again, same sila ng step 1, which is to provide two initial guesses that brackets the root. So we have XL and XU. Right? And then, after that, ano yung step 2? Gagamit ng strategy to find the XR. Strategy. Okay, yung sa strategy ni bisection method is always half yung interval XL and XU para makuha yung estimate root. Then you repeat the process by after making the evaluations, tama? While in false position method, the process in obtaining XR is actually different. Okay, so nagkaiba sila doon. So yung process sa paghanap sa XR. So mamaya I will discuss about that. And then yung mga evaluations dito, after makuha yung XR, is actually same lang sa bisection method. Same sa bisection method, which is, ano ba yun? Yung if f of XL times f of XR is less than 0, is greater than 0, equals to 0. So you set here, ano yung isa-set natin? XU equals to XR, tama ba? And then kapag greater than 0, XL is equals to XR. Okay. Yan. Then if equals to 0, you stop. So same sila ng evaluations dito rin sa false position method. Okay. So isa daw sa shortcoming ng bisection method is that no account is taken of the magnitudes of f of XL and f of XU. So, di ba meron tayong graph, for example, i-graph natin yung function. Ito siya. And you have f of XL and this is f of XU. Now, ang goal lang ni bisection method is what? To divide the XL siya. XL and XU. So, gusto lang niya is to take the average of XL and XU. So, if this is the average, yan. So, it does not take into account yung magnitudes ni FXL and FXU. Where, in fact, it will tell us something, yung mga magnitudes nila. Kasi if yung f of XL daw is closer to 0, ibig sabihin, yung root din natin is mas closer sa f of XL. Diba? So, yun yung ginamit na idea ni false position method. So, it takes into account the magnitudes of f of XL and f of XU. And then, kung ma-determine niya na mas malapit si f of XL sa 0, then mas doon siya magpo-focus sa malapit sa f of XL. Okay. So, I have here the graph of a function. Paano ba hinahanap yung XR using false position method? Okay, so remember this is our XL, then this is our XU. XL and XU, then XL and XU, this is f of XL and this is f of XU. So sa false position method, ang ginagawa actually is mag-create tayo ng line joining the points f of XL and f of XU. So itong straight line na yan. And then the intersection of this line with the x-axis represents an improved estimate of the root. So ito siya. Ito yung XR natin. Okay, so as you can see, yung f of XL natin, yung magnitude niya is mas malapit sa 0. So yung XR natin, mas lumapit din siya sa dito banda. Unlike kung bisection method tayo, XL and XU, you just take the average. So it does not take into account the magnitude of the functions. Okay, so as you can see, itong XR, it's not actually the root of our function. Ang root kasi natin is ito. Ito yung true root. So in this one is just our estimate of the root sa first iteration. Sa first iteration. Okay, so the fact that the replacement of the curve by a straight line gives a false position of the root is the origin of the name method of false position, or in Latin, that is regula falsi. Okay, so after ma-determine mo yung XR dito sa first iteration, you make the following evaluations. Ulit, yung f of XL times f of XR. Then, i-determine mo na kung ano yung bagong XL at saka ano yung XU. Then, kunin ulit yung bagong XR. No? Then, you continue the process. So, same lang sa bisection method. So, doon lang sila nag-iba sa pag-obtain ng XR. Yung sa strategy ng pag-obtain ng XR. Okay. So, paano natin to makalculate yung value ng XR? Hindi man siya average lang. So, we will make use of similar triangles. So, diba, this is f of XL ulit. This is f of XR. This is XL. And then, this is XU. So, we actually formed here dalawang triangle. So, this one. And then, itong malaki. This triangle here. So, by similar triangles, we have yung height nito, which is, this is f of XL. So, ito siya, f of XL over, so rise over run. So, ang run nito is, this is our XR, di ba? So, ang run kay XR minus XL. So, ito siya. Then, equate natin sa bigger triangle, which is ito, yung rise niya. That is this is f of XU. F of XU. And then, yung rise run is XR minus XU. XR minus XU. Okay, so from these similar triangles, may gagawin na mga manipulations to obtain this final equation for the XR. So, mayroon actually derivation for this formula. So, hindi lang natin ipakita because it will take so much time, no? So, ito na lang, diretso sa XR natin na formula. So, hindi na average yung pagkuha ng XR, no? Hindi na ganito, XL, XU over 2, but this one na. And you can see that na incorporate in this formula yung values of the functions, f of xu and f of xl. Okay, so I have here sample problem. Use false position method in determining the root of the function, which is the same function that we use